Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, switching between open workbooks and using the font tools. When opening other workbooks, Excel by default will open them in the same window. The quickest way to switch between open workbooks is by using the Switch Windows tool. Watch how I switch between two open workbooks using the Switch Windows tool on the View tab. The Font toolbar contains tools which can be used to manipulate the appearance of cell content. Before any content can be manipulated, it must first be selected. Watch how I manipulate the content of the selected cell D4. Multiple cells can also be manipulated if they are selected. Watch again as I embolden multiple selected cells. To highlight a cell range, left-click in the first cell, then hold and drag across the range. Watch how I use the tools on the Font toolbar to manipulate the appearance of the selected range. The Font tool will change the appearance of the font face. The Font size tools will manipulate the size of the content. The small and big letter A will also adjust the font size. The Font Color tool will adjust the color of the content. The same tools are also found in the Format Cells dialog box. The Format Cells dialog box can be opened by clicking the small arrow on the Font toolbar. Alternatively, open it by right-clicking on a cell or pressing Ctrl and 1 on the keyboard. The Format Cells dialog box has many useful tools for manipulating cell content. The Fonts tab contains many of the tools we have already looked at, including font size and style. Watch how I manipulate the appearance of the selected cell by using the Format Cells dialog. Effects can also be applied to the content, including strike-through, crossed-out text. The background color of cells can be changed using the Fill Color tool. Watch how I use this tool to change the background color of the selected cells. To remove a cell fill, select the cells and choose No Fill from the Fill Color drop-down.